So recently I've been hearing a lot of weird stuff going on outside at night. Not truly sure what it is. Like, I'm not really that much of a paranormal believer or anything, but yeah, it's still kind of weird to hear stuff at night. So I'm just kind of investigating. Hold on a sec. Usually, like, a lot of animals will get up on this tree, so I'm gonna go investigate that first. Doesn't seem like anything's wrong with the tree. That's good. A lot of animals will like knock down branches from there down to there, like hitting this little area during the night. It will make a loud soar. It'll like make a loud noise, or like ricochet. Like the noise will like ricochet off the fence, like hit the house, and like have the noise be near my window. It's kind of hard to explain. So yeah, something like that. Like I can guarantee, especially since we got a lot of snow, I guarantee that like that fell from up there. That's probably what I was hearing. But yeah, I don't know, it's just weird. I wanted to get a short little are these they're antlers? That's weird. Well, that's what's probably knocking down like the branches down there, like with all the trees. So it looks like some kind of tracks. I don't really know.